Even as India-Pakistan tensions have de-escalated following the ceasefire agreement, now politics over Operation Sindoor has also started. The opposition has demanded a special parliamentary session, especially Congress party demanding clarity on US claims of having mediated the ceasefire. Well, Congress has also put up posters of late Prime Minister Indira Gandhi lauding her role in the 1971 India-Pakistan war. Listen in to more reactions coming in.
ये समझ के पर है कि देश का पूरा विपक्ष एक सुर में मांग कर रहा है, सपोर्ट कर रहा है आपको, साथ में मांग कर रहा है। मांग क्या कर रहा है? पब्लिक डोमेन में सब बातें आ जानी चाहिए। अगर पार्लियामेंट सेशन चलेगा, उसमें बहस होगी, तो आपकी सोच क्या है, पाकिस्तान में एक्चुअल में क्या हुआ, आपने क्या किया, आपकी नीति क्या है जो आप कल बोले हो, ये अगर रिकॉर्ड में आती है, पूरा देश सुनता है। ऑल पार्टी मीटिंग में कई सुझाव आते रहते हैं। 2 मीटिंग आप की है, आप खुद नहीं गए, अब तीसरी मीटिंग में आप कुछ चले जाइएगा मान लीजिए, और मैसेज अच्छा जाएगा देश के लिए।
बात ऐसी यहाँ से विशेष सत्य पार्लियामेंट का हम तो इसके खिलाफ नहीं, मगर ये सेंसिटिव इशू है। ये वालों ने डेप्थ डिस्कशन सीरियस इशू है, तो सदन में लेना मुश्किल होता है। मिनिस्टर को भी सब डिस्कस करना इतना आसान नहीं कि फायदे की बात नहीं।
Prime Minister should have answered certain pertinent questions, which Prime Minister evaded. How the Pahalgam terror attack took place? What was the lapse on our part? Prime Minister did not refer to it. And after that, Sindoor operation, Prime Minister was making big claims, okay, but ceasefire, how ceasefire has been agreed? What was the role played by America? Even now, America claims many things. It is because of Donald Trump and American administration, both India and Pakistan agreed for ceasefire. And what is the truth?
देश के प्रधानमंत्री ने 140 करोड़ आवाम को संबोधित करते हुए सीधा और कड़ा संदेश दिया है। इसमें साफ कह दिया है कि टेररिज्म पर कोई समझौता होने वाला नहीं। युद्ध स्थगित हुआ है, रुका नहीं है। जैसी भाषा में पाकिस्तान समझेगा, उसको जवाब मिलेगा। न्यूक्लियर ब्लैकमेलिंग नहीं चलेगी।
While the Prime Minister is ready to talk to every world leader about Pakistan, he should also address his own countrymen and the other political parties within the country. It has been over a fortnight and the Prime Minister chooses monologues over a dialogue with his fellow countrymen and the political parties. The Congress party has been very clear in its stand. We will stand by the government for any decisive decision it takes with respect to the interest of the country and the countrymen.
The Congress party has put up posters in different parts of Bengaluru. They are talking about how there's no longer need of lip service. The walk the talk attitude of Indira Gandhi is required. No hashtags are required. These kind of messaging and posters are being put up in different parts of Bengaluru. What do you make of it, sir?
No, not. This is not time for that, for the poster, for Indira Gandhi. So, some questions rise because we put the poster, why the POK came after the war, why we are not acquire the POK. What about in Bombay incident? Our more than 300 people dead in the Bombay incident. Why there is no action? Modi taking immediate action. So this question will be raised. Many questions regarding that Indira Gandhi period and Sindhu water dispute. Why that continuing same thing? After Modi, you stop now. So all the questions are with the Congress also. But this is the not time. This is the not time. We have only time is support to our armed force.